with seller called me frustrated. Everyone says cut the price, but we did. Instead, we rebuilt the launch around value and payment. First, we stack value. New photos and a listing description that highlighted what buyers truly care about. Light, layout, upgrades, neighborhood benefits. The goal was simple. Make the home feel worth the number. Next, we market the payment, not just the price. With the right temporary buy down in the description, the monthly cost looks smaller, so buyers emotionally move toward we can afford this. Finally, we added light incentives, small, targeted concessions that created urgency without giving up equity. The result, multiple offers and 7,500 over asking, no price slash required. I turned those exact steps into a short guide you can follow before you relist. If your home expired, don't assume you have to give a discount. Present the value, frame the payment, create urgency. Get the guide. The link is in this video. Results vary, not a guarantee.